Okay, students, we're going to be discussing topologies. In order to get a true understanding of topologies, we need information written down or typed in our notebooks. We're going to get that information from our favorite program, LabSim. As you remember, LabSim is a wonderful program full of videos, simulations, quizzes, and hands-on activities, and much, much more. So I need you to log into your LabSim account. Once you're logged into LabSim, I want to make sure you are all on Network Pro, not PC Pro. So click on Network Pro. Once inside Network Pro, using your navigation tool, I need you to go to 1.2.2 or Topology Facts. Looks something like this. As you can see, as you may remember, LabSim is these fact sheets. As we do for other fact sheets, we need to make a copy of these and put them in our notebooks. You can simply hit print here to print a copy and put it in your notebook, or if you are making a digital notebook, press the copy button and it will copy this information. Once it's copied, simply open up Microsoft Word, paste the information in there, and save it in your notebooks. I would encourage you as we go through the lesson, realizing that this fact sheet has pictures, notes, and even if you scroll all the way down, videos that you can watch and truly understand these topologies.